I've been working in pesticide regulation for over a decade. It is, I believe, we're in a state of crisis. And this is one of the most important things for human health going forward. The pesticides being used, not only are they deeply affecting the bees, and the bees pollinate 1/3 of our food supply, 1/3 of our food supply, and over 40% of wildflowers rely on honeybees for pollination. So if we lose the bees, think about how that would affect our ecosystem.
And the foods that we're losing are like fruit.
The natural
literally
foods.
fruit is gone.
Think about
almost.
the inflation.
Yeah.
How much more expensive it becomes to eat your fruits and vegetables if we lose these creatures. And we're seeing that happen right now. So it's been really interesting as a beekeeper myself to see how the industry shifted. So I spend a lot of time focused on how to create regenerative, safe environments for bees because we need them. I work with them. It's essential for human life. And what I've seen over the years is because bees are dying, commercial pollination, which is a different industry, different from beekeeping, which is what I do. Commercial pollination is when you work as a beekeeper to manage your bees, but you truck them around to different farmers and crops. You let them loose to pollinate and then bring them back. And that industry has surged in the past several years because there's not enough local bees because so many of them are dying due to pesticides. And commercial pollination can actually be really hard on bees. It can be done properly. It can be managed really well. Oftentimes it's not. You're putting bees on a truck, bringing them over to this farm covered in pesticides with a monocrop, a single type of plant, letting them loose to pollinate. The bees are getting all kinds of exposure to pesticides. They lose out on having a varied diet and lose out on that biodiversity. And then also the stress of transferring them, even though you can transfer bees safely and humans have been doing it for a long time. There's evidence that bees were sent down the Nile in a little boat. Wow. So you can do it, but the way it's being done today, specifically with the pesticide exposure, is so problematic.